A strong earthquake struck southern Mexico early Friday, sending tremors through Mexico City and the popular resort town of Acapulco. The quake, measured at a preliminary magnitude of 6.5, had its epicenter in Guerrero State, near the Pacific coast, but was felt hundreds of miles away in the capital. In Mexico City, seismic alarms sounded, prompting residents to evacuate buildings and gather in the streets as structures swayed. Similar scenes unfolded in Acapulco, where locals and tourists rushed outside hotels and homes. Authorities reported at least 2 deaths connected to the quake and minor damage in some areas, including landslides on nearby highways, while officials continued to assess the impact.